Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to connect two Bluetooth headphones to one computer. First, make sure you've connected them through Settings, then Devices. Here's where you add Bluetooth headphones. Click Bluetooth and add the headphones. You can also do this through Audio Settings. This is where you add the headphones. Connect both pairs to the computer and download an app called Virtual Audio Cable. Go to the website. Click Download. Look for the .exe file. Download it here. Or use the zip file. Open it. Unpack it here. Or wherever you prefer. I'll put it here. There. Now open the Setup64 file. Click Yes. Click Yes again. Click Accept. Then click Install. Now we wait. Click Yes. Click OK and OK. Next, open the 64 folder and find Audio Repeater. We can place it here. We can close this. Let's go to Control Panel. Check sound and confirm line 1 is set as a device. Click OK. Run as admin. Open it once more. We need it now. Here, select Microsoft Sound Mapper, right? Now choose line 1. Select the output here. Choose our first headphones here. Pick second headphones and hit Start. Press Start. Now both headphones will play together. This was Weller. Like and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, everyone.